This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Toie Crespi. Less than 1 year old 2-story 4-bedroom 31 halves bath rosewood model. Open floor plan with great room. Features 3 bedrooms upstairs and amp, 3 baths plus loft area. Large laundry room upstairs. Bedroom on first floor great for study or office. Half bath downstairs. Open kitchen with large breakfast bar, SS appliances and amp, gas stove. All mounted T.V'S convey with the home. Tile throughout downstairs with carpet upstairs. Trussed porch overlooking backyard. Pavered driveway and amp, 2-car garage with side pedestrian door. For more information, review the details below.